Okay, so good morning, students. So in the last class, we have we already discussed with the adrenal gland. So today we will be discussing on the pancreas. So, Pintu, can you hear me, Pintu? Okay, Pintu, can you say about pancreas?
Yeah, the pancreas is a part of the and endocrine.
What? I can't hear. I can't hear. What did you say? I think your network is not. It's okay. Okay. Sajarika, can you hear me? Sajarika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about pancreas.
This organ is part of the both digestive and endocrine system. It makes digestive enzyme that breaks down food, and it also makes the hormones insulin and ma'am, what is this? I can't pronounce properly.
Insulin and glucagon. Hello, insulin and glucagon.
Glucagon. Thank you. This ensures to have the amount of sugar in the bloodstream and the cell.
What did you understand?
It helps um,
Who
in
helps?
breaking down foods.
Who helps?
Pancreas.
You say that one, okay? Pancreas helps in what?
It helps in It helps in breaking down the food and makes hormone insulin and glucagon.
Okay, I'll repeat again. So this is the pancreas. This is the another gland which we will get in the endocrine system. So in the pancreas it mainly deals with the digestive system part. And in the pancreas, what we will find that it plays an important role in the digestive system as well as in the endocrine system. And in the digestive system part, this pancreas, what does it do? They make some enzymes. Understand? They make some enzymes, which is also known as digestive enzymes. And what they usually do, this thing, they break down the food. They used to break down the food, and also they make some hormones, this pancreas, that is insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon. So with the help of these hormones, uh, how do they help? How do they help our body? Means uh, whatever sugar level it is there inside the body, it helps them in, the level. Understand? How much level of sugar will it consume? How much sugar level it will be good for the body? It helps in controlling the sugar level which is in the body. So pancreas is about that. Is it clear, everyone, about pancreas?
9862.
Huh?
9862
What Lakme?
80 34.
What happened? Lakme means you are having some doubts or what? Yes, Lakme. Lakme Chakma. Lakme Chak. Sorry. Lakme Chakma. Do you have any doubts? Yes. Okay. Did you understand this portion, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is it clear about pancreas? If I'll ask you, will you be able to answer? Will you be able to answer if I ask you about pancreas?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, no? Okay. Next is, so this is ovaries. So in the ovaries, what will you find? You will find the female reproductive system. Okay, the female reproductive system you will find there, and you will find this. I mean, in the ovaries, what will you find? You will find two hormones, that is estrogen and progesterone. Listen, estrogen and progesterone. These ovaries, they make a hormone which is known as estrogen and progesterone. And this estrogen and progesterone, they help in what? They help, I mean, so that the breast can grow larger in size during puberty time, and also they also help in what? Menstrual cycle, so that so that the female reproductive system can grow progressively or properly, and also they help in getting the woman pregnant. So this is about ovaries. Is it clear about ovaries? Lakme Chakma, can you hear me now? Lakme Chakma, can you hear me now? Miracle, Miracle, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Okay, Miracle, tell me about ovary. Yes, Miracle, tell me about ovary.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Ov- Ovaries in women's make a these hormones the at these did the side what
Your network is not good. It's okay. Okay, Rinkumani Barman, can you hear me? Rinkumani Barman, Rinkumani, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rinkumani, can you tell me about ovaries?
Ovaries, women, these organs make estrogen and progesterone. This hormone helps develop breast at puberty, regulate the menstrual cycle, and support a pregnancy.
Okay, this ovaries, where will you find in male or female reproductive system? Yes.
Ma'am, what?
You will find this ovaries in male or female reproductive system. Which system?
Female reproductive system.
Female reproductive system. Okay. The ovaries, they make two hormones. So what are the name of those two hormones?
Uh, Estrogen and progesterone.
Estrogen and progesterone. Okay. Then this estrogen and progesterone, how does it help? How does it help
Uh,
the
these hormones develop breasts and puberty.
develops breast at puberty? Puberty means what?
जब periods start होते हैं.
जब period start होता है. If I say like a boy is getting like in the puberty stage, so boys also they have periods. Is it like that? Huh? Rinko? Yes, Rinkumuni, is it like that?
The period during which adolescents reach.
Puberty means what? Puberty means when your body start to develop. Understand? When your body starts to develop, that is how to say. When you were a child, when you were a small baby, like you go on progressing. It's gonna be go on growing. So when you will reach the stage, it usually happens when from the time of 11, 12, 13 years also it usually happens. So when you will start growing, understand? Mostly for male it is like what other changes you will find for boys? Changes in voice. So that when they were a child, like their voice was very like normal. I mean, with the girls, we were not able to recognize even. But as they grow older, their voice also change. Their voice becomes deep. It's not it. It becomes husky sometimes. And so that one is known as puberty. I mean, when they start growing, it means that. Not when you get start getting period. Not like that. I'm asking you in general. Okay, Rinkumuni?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so all these things will happen. That is, I mean, with the help of estrogen and progesterone, a woman will start growing her breast, and they will start having menstrual cycle, and also this menstrual cycle, they will have the woman to get pregnant. Okay. Okay. Next test is Sachi. Sachi, can you hear me? Sachi, Takyo Mete, Takyo Mete, can you hear me? Okay. Next, Subhash.
Name
Subhash, can you hear me?
ma'am.
Okay, Subhash, you read out this and tell me about it.
Testes in men, the testes make testosterone, helps them grow curls and body hair at puberty. Also, the penis larger and play a role in making sperm.
Okay, what did you understand? Did you understand anything?
Testes has make the testosterone.
Okay. Testes, they make hormone. What is the name of the hormone? Testosterone. Okay. This testosterone, what do they do? They help in what?
Grow large, grow
Grow what? Grow facial hairs.
large hair,
Facial hair such as like mustache, beard, all this, na? So it means that. Body hair, okay, and what? And what? Subhash?
is play role in making sperm.
Okay. It also helps in what? So that the penis can grow larger in size. It helps in that. And also the testosterone, it helps in what? It helps in making the sperm. Understand? So that is about the testes. So everyone is clear or not about the endocrine system? Will you be able to say if I ask you? Everyone, will you be able to say God does? God does? Can you hear me? Jondeep, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jondeep. Okay, can you tell me what do you mean by endocrine gland, Jondeep? Okay, you just tell me the glands they mix what?
They secrete various enzymes and which helps in the metabolism of the body.
They make hormones. Understand?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
They take
Hormones, yes.
hormones. Okay, next. Jyotishmita Deka, can you hear me? Jyotishmita Deka, can you hear me? Huh? Okay, next. Kajal Kumari, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kajal, you choose any gland from here and you tell me about the gland. Any gland, pineal gland, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, anything. Choose any. Yes, Kajal. Choose any one from here. What happened? Taking so much time in freezing? What happened? You will choose or not? Huh, Kajal? Okay, next, Pintu. Pintu, can you hear me? Pintu? Pintu also not
What is the
able?
question?
Uh-huh. Which one?
What is the question?
Choose
Now
any
you ask me.
one from this gland and you tell me about the gland. Choose any gland, pineal gland, pituitary, hypothalamus, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, uh, then pancreas, adrenal, testes, ovary. Choose any.
Ma'am, pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland. Okay, say about it.
It is a ma'am, small gland.
It's
It
not
plays
gland.
a major role regulating vital body function and general well-being.
Let me show you.
Ma'am,
This is pituitary gland. Huh? This is the pituitary gland. You will find in the head portion, in the head part, and it usually pass information to your brain so that how many hormones they will release, okay, to different parts of the body, and they make some hormones. So, what is the name of the hormone? Growth hormone, which is known as prolactin, and also they helps in what? They helps in making the breastfeeding mothers so that they can feed the baby, that is the milk, and also you will find a luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormones are what? They may manage estrogen level in men, estrogen level in women and testosterone level in men. So this is about pituitary gland. I hope it's clear now.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, lobsang. Lobsang. Lobsang, can you hear me? Lobsang, you can't hear me. Mesmin, Mesmin Debarna, Nafishisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you choose any gland from here.
Hypothalamus.
Okay, sir.
This is an organ that connects our endocrine system with the nervous system, and its main job is to inform the pituitary gland to start or stop making hormones.
Okay, hypothalamus, it is where it is situated.
Pardon, ma'am?
Hypothalamus gland, where they are situated. Where will
The
you?
brain.
Yes, inside the brain. Okay, next, Prakti. Prakti. Okay, next,
Yes,
Srija.
ma'am.
Okay. Prakti, you choose any gland from this. Choose any gland. Choose any gland. Choose any gland, Kathy.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
Choose any gland, I said. Choose any gland from this.
Uh,
Choose any gland from this and you tell me about it.
thymus.
Okay, you say. Okay, you say, Kathy.
The thymus gland.
Okay, I'll show you. So this is thymus gland. The thymus gland is situated in the chest, and they make WBC. That is the white blood cells. It is also known as T lymphocytes, and they fight against infection. And we see mostly in child this one, and they used to shrink after puberty. Understand? Okay, that's all for today's class. I'll stop here.